Give you guys a little walk around of this 1982 GMC, but it's actually a Chevy, but it's all lettered up as a GMC. Classic pickup truck. It's got the 6.2 liter Detroit diesel in it, actually. One of the first diesel engines ever made. It's got an aftermarket Banks turbo. What's the size of it?
57.
Yeah, 57 Banks turbo with aftermarket straight pipe exhaust. It's got about a 2-inch lift kit in it and 33 by 12.5 tires. This thing's a sweet little truck to rip around in. Definitely in remarkable shape for its year. It's got like very little rust on it. Shows how much better they made vehicles back then, that this thing's lasting like this. Give you some clips to show you it ripping around, but show you the interior real quick. Door's locked. Open her up. We got pretty sweet little interior. It is a winter, so it's not super clean right now, but usually it is pretty good looking. Manual shifter, tachometer, but for an 82, it's held up pretty well.